Hey everyone, picture this. An AI agent helping you rebook a flight, checking your membership, calling tools in real time. Everything seems fine until one tiny mistake silently breaks the entire process. Today, we're exploring AgentProcessBench, diagnosing step-level process quality in tool using agents by Shengda Fan and Xuanye. Here's the core problem. LLMs are no longer just text generators, they are agents. They search, call APIs, execute actions. But evaluation is outdated. We only check the final answer, not the steps. And in real systems, mistakes are irreversible. Now look at this example from the paper. An agent is helping a user with a delayed flight. It calls tools correctly, retrieves data, everything looks fine. But then it assumes the user is a gold member without verification. That step is labeled -1. And here's the key. Even if later steps look correct, they inherit the mistake. This is error propagation. So the authors introduce AgentProcessBench, a benchmark that evaluates every single step. Each step gets +1 correct, 0 neutral, -1 incorrect. That neutral label is crucial. Because agents explore, not every step is decisive. The dataset includes 1000 trajectories and 500 plus annotated steps with 89.1% human agreement. Now check the system overview on page 5. It's a 3-stage pipeline. First, collect trajectories from benchmarks. Second, expert annotation. Third, evaluate across 20 models. Think of it like replaying a game and scoring every move. Now things get interesting. There's a confusion matrix. Models tend to overpredict +1. They're overly optimistic. And they struggle most with neutral steps because their value depends on future context. There's also a correlation plot. Better step-level reasoning usually leads to better final outcomes, but not always, which means process evaluation adds new insight. Another key insight, error positions vary across datasets. Sometimes errors happen early, sometimes much later. This shows agents fail in patterns. Here's a powerful takeaway. Combining step-level signals with outcome-based scoring improves performance. Instead of asking, did it work? Ask, how clean was the process? Now, pitfalls. Models struggle with subtle tool errors, logical inconsistencies, and especially neutral versus incorrect steps. Practical tip, if you are building agents, log everything. Evaluate every step. Because the future of AI agents isn't just about getting the right answer, it's about getting there the right way. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.